41 na Karandang. Natabing palabas mga kaibigan, Karandang yung bola. Nababalik ang bola for team ng mga nasa black shirts. Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds of this basketball championship action. 2 minutes and 10. Foul is going to be called against wearing jersey number 04, Rabalia. Rabalia wearing jersey number 04. Warning for foul out. Having 4 fouls and 13 foul for Barangay Mainit Bullers. Last 2 minutes and 6 seconds tayo sa ating last quarter. 2 minutes and 6 seconds to go. Last 2 minutes! Last 2 minutes of basketball action is brought to us by Espinate. Ang lang nila, 7 seconds on the shot clock. Jumper! Lipang tira ni Gilbert Fernandez. That's para po sa team ng Distrito Dos. Indica down the cover floor, 20 seconds on the shot clock. Indica down, sealing a play, 59-56. Tatlong puntos lang inaabati ng mga taga-Distrito Dos dito. Laban po sa mga player na mga taga-Barangay Mainit Bullers. Indica down, driving in. Outside this basket for Nico Kuya. Pinagpag ng Karandang. Like a good integratic defensive stop once again by Karandang. Karandang atake. Number 41, Karandang kumatake, but foul against wearing jersey number 9. Fernandez 3 personal fouls and Distrito Dos 2 team fouls. 1 minute and 25 remaining for this last quarter. Once again, a minute and 25 seconds to go. 17 seconds on the shot clock. 17 seconds on the shot clock. 1 minute and 25 seconds to go for this championship game. 56-59, 3 points. Still driver seat, your team, Barangay Distrito Dos. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Outside jumper, no. Rebound by Ondali. Ondali, a fake screen. But he lost the cutter. Muhammad Medina de Fernandez. Go for Tuate. Final for your team, Barangay nitong Mainit Bullers. To go. Isang minuto at 10 saglit na natitirang oras sa ating pagpapatuloy for the last in the final quarter. 56-61 score. For the last in the final quarter. 1 minute go! Isang minuto malalaman na po natin kung sino magiging kampiyon ngayon taon for this palaro ng ating pong mga kabataan. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. At may Karandang, may tahan na bola. Karandang jumper! Karandang! Good for 2 points! 45 seconds remaining time. 61-58. 3 points lang po yung abate ng Distrito Dos laban sa team ng Mainit Bullers. Karandang, binigay kay Fernandez. Shot clock 13. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Fernandez susuroy mo. Babalo, you good. Bingo! Good for 2 points. 26 seconds to go for the last in the final quarter. 63-58 score. A jumper! Hindi ka hawin. That was a easy goal. Lose ball last touch for team Barangay Poblacion Distrito Dos. Goal position now turn for team Barangay ng Mainit Bullers. 20.7 seconds remaining. 20.7 seconds to go for this last quarter. 58-63 score in favor po ng 5 points. This is the final countdown of this basketball action. .8 seconds to go. 19.8. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 19.8. Extra pass. Jumper! Missed by Karandang. Recovered by Ondali. And